Everyone, this is Revathi M, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science, Dr. Drsnsrcas College of Concept Science. So in the Python program series, today we are going to discuss about if statement. So if statement is the most simple decision making statement. So if statement executes a block of code, so the code is true, then execute the block of the code. If the code is false, the condition is false, the condition moves to the next line of the program, not execute the if statement. Next we see the flowchart for if statement. So let's look at the flow of code in the Python if statement. First we keep the test expression. So the condition will check. Here in text expression the condition will check. If the condition is true, it will go to the body of the if statement. If the condition is false, then go to the statement just below if statement. So here the else part is working. So in if statement, if condition is checking, if the true, the body of the if statement will display. Then if it is false, the statement just below if statement is print. So next we see the examples of if statement in Python. Here in this example, here the I equal to 10. Here I is the variable and 10 is the value for I. So if I is greater than 15, here the test expression we check. So here the I is 10. So 10 is greater than 15. Here we check the condition. 10 is greater than or 15 or not. So if the condition is true, the print 10 is less than 15. If the condition is false, then the next statement of if will print. So here the output of this programs are I am not in if. So the output is depends on the condition 10 less than 15. So the condition is sorry 10 greater than 15. So here the condition is false. So the second statement is printing. So the output is I am not in if. Next we see the if else statement. If else statement like if statement. The statement adding one statement else. If then the if condition is true, then execute the block of the code. Otherwise the false execute the else statement. So the if statement alone tells us that if a condition is true, it will execute a block of statement, and if the condition is false, it won't. But what if we want to do something else if the condition is false? Here comes to the else section. So next we see the syntax of else section. So the syntax is first the if we check the condition. If the condition is true, the statement in the block will execute. So if the statement is false, the else block statement will execute. So here we see the one of the example program for if else statement. The same program I is equal to 10, I is equal to I is the variable and 20 is the value. Here the if part is we checked. So the condition within a test expression we give I less than 15. I less than 15. So that it takes 20 less than 15. So if the condition is true, the else if part will display. So if the condition is false, else part will display. So we will check here 20 less than 15. So here the condition is false. So the else part will print. So first print statement is I is greater than 15. Then second print part is I am in else block. So the output of the programming is I is greater than 15. I am in else block. Else if statement. Next we see the else if statement. The else if is like if else. The statement is check the one or more statements are executed. The if statement is false, they check the else if condition. is false, execute the else statement. The syntax of if condition and statements, then else if condition and statements, then else statements. In Python, we have one more conditional statement called else if statement. So here the syntax is if conditions, the statement will check. So it's not true. Another if statement condition will check. So that is also not true. The else part will the output for the will display. So example for else if statement, the same example program, first the condition check I less than 15, 20 less than 15, so the condition is false. Again else if part is check 20 equal to 15, it's also false statement, then go to the else statement. So the output of this program is else part. I is greater than 15, print I'm in else block. I'm not in if and not in else block. So these are the program example program of else if statement. Nested if else statement, there is multiple condition in one program. The nested if else statement present inside another if and if else statement. So the syntax of nested if statement, if first check the condition, then again check the another if condition, then both else part will check. So here the example for nested if else statement. We come to the end of this section. I hope you enjoyed this section. Thank you.